Simplify p plus q bracket cube plus p minus q bracket cube. Here, between in these two terms, use your formula a plus b bracket cube and here a minus b bracket cube, and after that solve this, simplify the example. Let's see how to solve first. P plus q bracket cube plus p minus q bracket cube. Use your formula a plus b bracket cube, that is a square plus 3p square q means 3a square b plus 3ab square, that is 3pq square, plus b cube, that is q cube, plus here p cube minus 3p square q plus 3pq square minus q cube. Here in this term, minus q cube plus q cube get cancelled. Here 3p square minus 3p square plus 3p square get cancelled. So remaining terms are p cube plus 3pq square plus p cube plus 3pq square. Then add the like terms, p cube plus p cube, that is 2p cube, 3pq square plus 3pq square, that is 6pq square. This is the simplification of p plus q bracket cube plus p minus q bracket cube. Let's simplify the next question number 8. 2x plus 3y bracket cube minus 2x minus 3y bracket cube. Here also use the formula a plus b bracket cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here use the formula a minus b bracket cube, that is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus minus b cube. So first solve in the bracket. 2x means 2x cube plus 3 into 2x square into 3y plus 3 into 2x into 3y bracket square plus 3y cube. Here the minus sign, minus. In this two bracket there is minus sign, so write here brackets in term, that in brackets. Here there is plus, so no change, so we can solve this directly. If minus sign is there inside the bracket, then change all signs of the second bracket. Okay, let's see here. 2x bracket cube minus 3 into 2x square into 3y plus 3 into 2x into 3y square minus 3y cube. Minus is outside the bracket. Now simplify the all terms. Here 2x cube, that is 8x cube plus 3 into square of 2a, that is 4x square into 3y plus 3 into 2x into 9y square plus cube of 3 is 27y cube minus, here inside the bracket, 8x cube minus 3 into 4x square into 3y plus 3 into 2x into 9y square minus 27y cube. Now remove the brackets and write down the all terms here. 8x cube minus 3 4 is 12 and 12 3s are 36y. Sorry, 36x square y plus 3 to the 6 and 6 9s are 54xy square plus 27y cube. Now minus here 8x cube minus 36x square y plus 54xy square minus 27y cube. Now write down this first term as it is. Now change the all sign of second bracket. Here is no sign, means there is plus, they become minus. This plus minus become plus. This plus become minus. This minus become plus. Now this minus 54 plus 54 get cancelled. Then minus 8x cube, this get cancelled. So remaining are 36x square y plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 27y cube. Now add this 36 become 72x square y plus 54y cube. This is the simplification of 2x plus 3y bracket cube minus 2x minus 3y bracket cube. Only if there is a minus sign inside between the two brackets, then simplify these carefully. Let's see the next example. 2a plus b cube minus 2a minus b cube. Here minus sign in between two brackets to give you a brackets. Use your formula a plus b bracket cube and a minus b bracket cube. Here 2a cube plus 3 into 2a square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square plus b cube minus 2a cube minus 3 into 2a into 2a square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square minus b cube. 2a cube, that is 8a cube plus 3 into 4a square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square plus b cube minus here 8a cube minus 3 into 4a square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square minus b cube. Now remove the brackets here. 8a cube here plus 4 3s are 12a square b plus 6ab square plus b cube. Remove the bracket and change the signs. Minus 8a cube minus minus become plus. 3 4s are 12a square b. This plus become minus 6ab square. This plus minus become plus b cube. Now this is cancelled. Plus minus terms. 8a cube minus 8a cube get cancelled. So here 12a square b plus b cube plus 12a square b plus b cube. Now add the like terms. 12 plus 12, that is 24a square b plus 2b cube. This is the answer. Now your today's homework is solve practice set 5.3. This is your homework. In this practice set, there are more examples to solve the a minus b bracket cube and simplification. Okay. Okay, bye and have a nice day.